Hi everyone, welcome to the Touch to Click channel. Today, in this video, we'll show you how to create QR code for certificate in a simple and easy way. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open browser. From the search results, https certified.io blog certificate wording examples to open it in your browser. First, locate the certificate you want to create a QR code for, if the certificate is available online, and copy its link. This link is important because it will be embedded into the QR code for easy verification and sharing. Step 2. Next, open your web browser and search for a QR code generator such as QR Code Monkey. Then click on the website from the search results. This type of website is useful because it allows you to generate QR codes quickly without installing any software. Step 3. Once the website opens, find the input box meant for URLs and paste the certificate link you copied earlier. This step ensures that anyone who scans the QR code will be directed to the certificate page. Step 4. Now you can customize the QR code to make it look more professional. You can change colors, add a logo like your organization's logo, or choose a different design. This helps the QR code match the style of your certificate. Step 5. After customizing, scroll down and click on the Create QR Code button. Once the QR code is generated, click on Download PNG. It takes time, so you have to wait some times to save it to your device. This allows you to print or attach it digitally to the certificate. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful tech tutorials.